So CSAT, 2 points we have to learn about CSAT. Before we enter into the concept of CSAT, we have to learn 2 areas. Why we are learning CSAT? Number 1. Number 2, what is the importance of CSAT in the civils examination? Okay. Right. Why should we learn CSAT? Means in CSAT, through CSAT, what we have to learn is problem solving ability. What we have to learn is problem solving ability. Once you become a civil servant, in every department, you have a lot of challenges and problems, right? So to solve them, you need to follow one algorithm. That algorithm you will prepare from the algorithm of problem solving ability. That is a standardized algorithm for all the problems. Okay. So that we will learn from our CSAT. Okay. That is the intention of giving CSAT in your examination. And coming to writing of CSAT examination in the exam, means in the civil services exam. Okay. So it also very much important how you will take the decisions. So you have how many questions in CSAT? 80 questions. Okay. In 80 questions, almost 50 to 55 questions in general are from arithmetic and reasoning. The remaining 25 questions are from comprehension, right or wrong? Okay, good. So coming to these 80 questions, you can 100% rely on the 50 to 55 questions of the arithmetic and reasoning than the decision makings of statements and assumptions, arguments, or course of action, or etc., right or wrong? Okay, that means when compared to the comprehension, okay, the more reliable part is arithmetic and reasoning. Okay, so in these 50 or 55 questions, what is the cutoff? Is it dynamic or static? It is static cutoff. How much it is? 66.66, alias simply 67 is the cutoff, right or wrong? Okay, to achieve 67 marks, how many questions you have to answer correctly? 27 questions. If you write 100% accurately, you will achieve the answer, right? Or you will clear the examination, right or wrong? Okay, so your intention is just 27 questions with 100% accuracy. Out of 55 questions means double the questions. So in the examination hall, the first one that you have to do is not the subject. Okay, picking the right questions so that you can solve in the time, and that is perfect for you. That means in the time you have to solve, at the same time you should get confident answer, right or wrong? So these are important points. Picking that one is very important. So once you become an IAS officer or IPS officer, daily lot of problems will be dumped onto you, right or wrong? So you should identify that which are very much important. Okay, what is the right one that you have to resolve now? Yes or no? Okay, that decision you can take from CSAT picking of the questions. Okay, right. Coming to CSAT part, paper 1 and paper 2 of civil services. Okay, your paper 1 will be evaluated once you clear the paper 2, right or wrong? So now tell me. So I can say that once you cross a bridge, there will be a beautiful world called GS. That beautiful world you are already enjoying, right or wrong? GS. But if you want to go there, first you have to cross the bridge. First, you have to cross the barrier. That barrier is nothing but our CSAT. That is the reason, never ever neglect the CSAT. Never ever neglect the CSAT. So give first priority to CSAT to clear. Because if you clear it, then only you will qualify, you will write the GS part. Am I right or wrong? This is one point. Second point. So, very sad thing that I heard from the students is, so there are some students who got 100 plus marks in GS, that is paper 1. But still, they are unable to clear the CSAT part, due to which they are not qualifying the prelims examination. So they are getting 100 plus, 110 plus, and even I saw one member who is 120 plus in the last year of 2023 civil services. He got in GS 120 plus, but failed in CSAT. Okay, what is the result finally? He cleared the prelims examination or not? Not. Okay, so he got 120 plus marks, means is he an intelligent or not? Undoubtedly he is an intelligent, right or wrong? Even though he is an intelligent, he has not qualified the CSAT examination. That means that, okay, everybody has to focus more and more on CSAT, then only the GS part. Then only the GS part. Okay. Second one, the common blunders that we will do. Blunders, not the mistakes. Hope you know the difference between blunder and a mistake, right? The common blunders that the students will do is, suppose if you ask any arithmetic faculty, which are the topics that are important in arithmetic, if you ask a bank faculty, they will say that prepare percentages, data interpretation, simple interest, compound interest, profit and loss. Time and work, then time and distance. If you ask any groups faculty or essay constable faculty, they will say that prepare ratios, ages, partnership, averages. Okay, then go to mixed allegation, then go to time and work, then go to mensuration. This is the priority they will say. Means, in general, we have banks and SSC, Railways, one aspect. The other aspect is groups and groups and SI constable. If you ask any of these persons, means suppose if you find a student who already cleared a bank examination, now he is a assistant manager in a bank. Okay, means he is already good at aptitude, right or wrong? Okay, automatically you will take some guidance from him, right? If you know any of your brother or friends, etc., cleared that examination. Okay, that is a common blunder that you will do. Because if you ask the bank aspirant, he will say that focus more and more on percentage module. You will focus more and more on percentage module, consists of percentages, profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest, data interpretation, and replacements of the mixtures and allegations. Okay, these 6 areas comes under a percentages module. Okay, he will say that strongly into your brain. But coming to reality, what are the questions that you are getting in civil services in the examinations? In the examination, shall we see once? Okay, I'll give you first, the analysis that was given in the previous 6 years. Okay, I'll give the analysis for you. Then we will go for what are the topics that we have to discuss. And then you will understand what are the blunders that you will do. Okay, observe that. Let's observe this, my dear boys and girls. I'm zooming it out. Zooming it in. Yeah, it's only 2022. 2023 is missed one. In the next session, I will give you the 2023 included that. Okay, analysis. In each topic, how many questions you are getting in the civil services examination. Okay, so observe my segregation also. My segregation is number system, simple equations, and LCM HCF. Okay, this is one module. Okay, in 2022, you got 18 questions from it. In 2021, 16, 20, 22, 19, 13, 18, 8, 2023, you got 30 questions from this number system and simple equations module. Hope you understand? Okay. Next one, LCM HCF, if you observe 1, 1, 3, 2, 0, and 7 totally. Okay, these two is one module. Next module, as I said earlier, ratios, ages, partnership. This is one module. Okay, observe that how many questions you are getting. Ratios 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay, so ages 1, 1, 1, 2, 0. Partnership 0, 1, 0, 0. What you notice? These three topics are very important or very less important. Very important or very less important? Very less important. Go to the next one. Averages and mixed allegation. Come to this. Okay, what you got? 1, 1, 3, 2, 0. Okay, except these three, all the remaining are weak. That is the reason overall it's okay, good. Come to the mixtures and allegation, you got 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. What do you notice? Mixture and allegation is very important or very weak? Very less. Okay, come to the next one, percentages consistently good. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 4, 1. Means, is it valuable or not? Undoubtedly. Okay, so profit and loss, come to that. 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 6. Okay, now tell me, so the bank aspirant says that profit and loss is very important. Very, very, very important for them. Okay, but for you, is it that much important? Not at all. Okay, come to the simple and compound interest. Simple interest consistently 0. Simple interest consistently 0. Even in 2023, you have not get any question from simple interest. It is 0 only. Okay, compound interest, you got how many questions in the last 5 years? 2 questions in the last 5 years. Now tell me, is it the area that we have to focus or no need to focus? No need to focus. Come to time and work, consistently 1 question actually you will get. In 2023 also 1 question. Okay, observe, earlier you are not getting, but nowadays every year you are getting 1 question. But still only 1 question for 1 year. Time and work means time and work, pipes and systems, unitary method. These 3 topics together you are getting only 1 question. Okay, next one, time and distance is a topic where you are getting 3, 2, 4, 2, 3. Now tell me here, is this an important topic or not? Yes, it is, time and distance. Okay, come to the next one. Okay, data interpretation. Okay, in 2018, you got 10 questions from data interpretation. Other than that, verify the weightage 0, 2, 1, 2. Means now tell me, DI nowadays, as per the new trend, very important or very less important? Not important, right? Okay, come to the next one. Permutations and combinations is a very important topic. You got 7 questions, 4 questions, 2 questions, 4, 2. I can say that after this number system and simple equations, I can say that the permutations and combinations is the most important topic. Am I right? Good. So now tell me here, most of you are perfect in permutations and combinations, are almost 0 in permutations and combinations. Am I right or wrong? So, are you perfect in number system and simple equations or almost not? I'm asking you only. Are you perfect in it or not? Not. Means you're learning what you have to learn or you learned what you have no need to learn. Mimale, I'm asking you only here. Speak out. Okay, good. Next one. So, probability almost 0, only this is the one. Okay. Next one, data sufficiency. This is now the trending topic for you. Because every paper nowadays, minimum 5 to 15 questions you will get from data sufficiency. Okay, 5 to 15 you will get from data sufficiency nowadays. There is a trend now. Okay, so what happens is the number system or simple equation questions might be given in data sufficiency. The time and of a question might be given in data sufficiency. Because data sufficiency doesn't have a separate topic to ask the questions. Okay, the questions are from percentages, the questions are from number system, the questions are from simple equations, etc., etc. But will be given in under the topic called data sufficiency. Don't worry, we will discuss it separately. Okay, right. Next one. This is the part that we have to discuss in what we say arithmetic. Now we are entering into the topic of reasoning. Number series and inserting the missing characters. Observe that consistently minimum 2 questions, right? Means can I say that undoubtedly this is one important topic that you have to focus, right? And the second point is, funny thing, letter series also consistently he will give 1 question in general. Okay, because in 2023 also you got 1 question from letter series. Okay, so this is okay. Next, analogy. Observe that what is the weightage? If he ask any what do we say groups aspirant or SI constable aspirant, is analogy important? He will say that the most important here, analogy and odd man out. Verify here, is it important or not? Analogy and odd man out. Odd man out, you got 1 question in 2023. 2023, how many questions you got? Only 1 question. Before that, how many questions you got? 0. Now tell me, is it the major area that you have to focus a lot or not? Not. Next one, coding, decoding. Observe, almost consistently 1 question. Okay, it's not the best, not the worst. Some part we can focus on it. Next one, blood relations, 20110. Okay, in 2023 also you got a question from blood relations. Okay. Good. Next one, directions 12120. Means consistently 1 question on an average we can take. Right. Coming to the next one, clocks. Observe that 31010. So in one time we got 3 questions. It's a good number, right? Okay, clocks. So calendars 12120. Okay, means either 1 or 0 nearly, right? Okay. These 2 are not the best, not the worst. Come to ranking test, seating arrangement and puzzles. Okay. Ranking test, seating arrangement, puzzles. These 3 are one set we can say. Okay, ranking test, seating arrangement and puzzles. Observe 1, 2, 2, 3. And puzzle test. Okay, 3, 1, 10, 9. Here you got 10 questions from it. Means in reasoning, if you want to focus on it, first you have to focus on this area. Is it right or wrong? Okay, coming to the next one, non-verbal reasoning. Observe that in 2018 you got 9 questions from non-verbal reasoning. After that, how many questions you got here? 0, 1, 0, 1. Means that is not the trending topic now. Okay. And next one, syllogism here. This is one trending topic. Okay. So you are getting day to day, the weightage is increasing syllogism. Okay. And mensuration, you got only 1 question in 2018. Okay. So this is the syllabus that we are going to, this is the total syllabus that you have to cover in CSAT topic. Okay. Now tell me, our preparation should start with this one. Is it right or wrong? Because you can understand which areas you have to focus. You can understand where we have to focus more and more on it, right? Okay, now come to the first one. What is the first topic here? Number system, simple equations, LCM, HCF, and this is the area, right? All together, how many questions you got? Up to 2022, 84 questions. Okay, I said that only in 2023, from the simple equations and number system, you got 30 questions. Means altogether, how many you got? Already 84 plus 30, 114 questions you got from it, from this module. This is the first module that we are focusing today. This is the first module that we are focusing on today. So, in number system, we have some basics to discuss. Coming to simple equations, it doesn't have any basic. Simple equations doesn't have any basic. What is meant by simple equations if you want to know? Okay, I'll give you some introduction. Suppose I went to a market to buy some apples. Okay, I'm asking the shopkeeper that what is the price of apple? He said that he said that okay, 1 dozen apples costs 360 rupees. What's the price of 1 dozen? 360. Now tell me, what is the price of each apple? What's the price of each apple? Come on, speak out. 30 rupees, right? Okay, what you did? 1 dozen means 12 apples is equal to 360 rupees. So 1 apple means divide with 12 threes and zeros. So 30 rupees. That's it. I can say that this is a question from simple equations. Because it's an equation. What is meant by an equation? Which has equality symbol. Which has equality symbol. Do we have an equality symbol here? So I can say that this is a Simple equation. This is the simple equation. Okay. So anything he says, suppose I have some, what we say, coins in my hand and my friend B has some coins in his hand. Okay. He said that if I give him 10 coins, both will have equal. Both will have equal coins. Okay. What is the difference in the coins that A and B have initially? This is what a question. Okay. So what you have to think is, so there are two persons A and B. Okay. Their names are A and B. Okay. What he said? If I give him, I means A gives B 10 coins. Means now A becomes A minus 10. B becomes B plus 10. Why? Because he is getting the coins. Right or wrong? Now he said that both are equal. Both are equal. Now difference he is asking. Move the B this side. A minus B is equals to, move the minus 10 this side. It will be 20. Right? So A minus B is how much? 20. That's it. I can't say that beyond this one, simple equation doesn't have anything. Whatever I said right now, by using that, you can do all the problems of it. You can do all the problems of it. Okay. So now our course is designed in a manner that first I will give you some basic. Based on the topic, it might be 10 minutes, it might be 20 minutes, it might be half an hour. Followed by I will give you one handout. Okay. That handout you have to work out by your own. All the questions are previous year questions of civil services. Okay. So that might be based on the module, 10 questions, maybe 15 questions, maybe 5 questions, maybe 20 questions. That depends. Okay. So based on the number of questions, I'll give you some time for you. Each question I'll give minimum 1 minute, maximum 2 minutes. Like that I will frame. Okay. So you have to work it out. Once you completed it, I'll work out all the problems on the board. Okay. So then I'll go to the second handout and I'll give the basic of it, give the handout. Again, give the time to work it out. Then I will explain you. Hope you understand the structure of the class. Okay. Right. Good. Now I'm giving you the handout based on simple equations and number system. Okay. Simple equations and number system. So actually number system has a lot of concepts. Number systems. Okay. So as I said earlier, simple equations doesn't have much concept, but right, good. But number system has a wide area of concepts. Divisibility rules is there, highest power concept is there, number of zeros is there, remainder is there, problems on consecutive numbers will be there, or something called problems on digits will be there. All comes under number system. Okay. Now what I am giving is few areas regarding numbers. Regarding the numbers. Point one. I am taking a 2-digit number called AB. I am taking it means I am giving the basic. Okay. Now I am entering into strictly the concept. Okay. If you have any doubt, you are free to ask me. My dear online students, for you also the same thing I am giving you. Right, just a second. Okay, good. Right, good. So, my dear online students, also for you, I am giving the point that mostly I'll try to cover without getting any doubts. Okay, if you get any doubt, okay, you're free to comment in the YouTube or Zoom so that I will definitely resolve it. Okay, but sometimes I'll see later. So, first I'll concentrate on this one. Okay, good. You just post the doubts so that I will answer you. Right, come to this one, numbers. Okay, before going to the numbers, everybody knows what is an even number and what is an odd number. Okay, I don't want to ask you the definitions. Okay, simply I'll ask few questions. Okay, so the product of two numbers A into B is even. Okay, what are the conditions? A will be even or odd? B will be even or odd? I'm asking you. When do you get an even number? Both are even. Okay, even into even is even. Superb. Any other possibility? This is the only possibility. Even into odd is also even. Superb. Any other? Don't say odd into even because both are same. Odd into odd will be odd number. If you get it out, take 5 into 3. 15. Is even number or odd number? Odd number. Okay. So odd into odd will be odd number. Okay. So you feel that sir, this much basic will he ask in the examination? Yes, he will. Okay, you should understand. So next one. So even plus even, what you will get? Even. Okay. Even plus odd. Odd. Odd plus odd. Odd plus odd. 5 plus 3. Right or wrong? Even. Is it clear? Right, good. This is another point. Prime number plus prime number. You will get prime number or even number or odd number. Even number. Odd number. Prime number. I am asking you, prime number, is it possible to get prime number plus composite number as a prime number? Good. So prime plus prime might be prime, might be composite, might be even, might be odd. Okay? Suppose if you take two prime numbers like 3 plus 5, both are prime numbers, right? You got 8. So which is nothing but even number. If you take, not prime plus prime, right? Oh, prime plus prime, right, good. So suppose if I take 2 plus 3, both are prime numbers, right? I got 5. 5 is nothing but odd number as well as prime number. Right or wrong? Okay. Now 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 is nothing but even number as well as composite number. Yes or no? Means it can be any of the 4. Any of the 4. Okay. Right. Like that, prime plus composite, prime into composite. How I have evaluated, like that you have to evaluate. Is it clear? Right. This is one area that we have to focus. Next one. Suppose I am taking a 2-digit number called AB. 2-digit number AB. Okay. Can I say that AB means this is units place and this is tens place? Yes or no, yaar? You should be very much dynamic and energetic. Okay. So respond. Okay. Units place, this is tens place. Right. Suppose let's take an example called 56. This is units place, this is tens place. That means that it is, we have 5 tens and we have only 1 6. Or 1s or 6. Right or wrong? Add it, you are getting the same answer or not? Yes, that is the meaning of a 2-digit number. Okay, AB means I can say that it is 10A plus B. Suppose if you take the reverse of it, BA, it will be how much? Say it loudly. 10B plus A. Okay, shall we add both? AB plus BA is equals to 10A plus A, 11A, B plus 10B, 11B. Can I take 11 common? Okay. The sum of a 2-digit number and its reverse is always divisible by 11. Or the sum of a 2-digit number and its reverse is 11 times of sum of the digits. Right or wrong? This is the point that you have to understand. Suppose if I go with the difference of it, if I go with AB minus BA, AB minus. Okay, now tell me here, 10A minus A, how much it will be? 9A. B minus 10B, it will be minus 9B. Minus, can I take 9 common? Okay, right, good. So now I can say that the difference of a 2-digit number and its reverse is 9 times the difference of the digits. Is it right or wrong? Okay, the difference of a 2-digit number and its reverse is 9 times, divisible by 9. Divisible by? Now my question is, it is divisible by 9, yes or no? Is it divisible by 3 or not? Yes, it is. Okay. That means that the difference of a 2-digit number and its reverse is divisible by 9 and its factors. 9 and its factors. Now we discussed about a 2-digit number. Shall we go with a 3-digit number? Right, good. 3-digit number. Okay. Suppose if I go for the 3-digit number, now it will be AB or ABC. ABC. Now this is 1's place, 10's place, 100's place. Now you only tell me what should I write here? Speak out. 100A plus 10B plus C. Okay. Now reverse of it will be CBA is equals to. Come on, speak out. 100C plus 10B plus A. Okay. Suppose if I go with the sum of it. Okay. Sum becomes 100A plus A is 1 out 1A. C plus 100C means 1 out 1C. But the problem is 10B plus 10B is 20B. Are you able to take anything common? No. So that is useless. But the reverse, that is the difference. Suppose if I take ABC minus CBA if I take. Okay. Right. Now go with it. Right. Tell me here. Difference means 10B cancels. Okay. Now 100A minus A. 99A. Okay. C minus 100C. Minus 99C. Means can I take 99 common? Okay, 99 times of A minus C. 99 times of A minus C. Am I clear? Okay. Means the 2 points I can tell you is the difference between a 3-digit number and its reverse is divisible by 99 and its factors. Divisible by 99 and its factors. Okay, or else I can say that the difference between a 3-digit number and its reverse is 99 times of the difference of first digit and the last digit. Yes or no? Or else I can say that the difference between a 3-digit number and its reverse is 99 times of difference of hundreds digit and units digit. Sometimes he will say that hundreds digit and units digit. Sometimes he will say that first digit and last digit. Hope you understand. Okay, this is about 2-digit number and a 3-digit number. Okay, right. Next one. Here, based on whatever I said now, use your common sense and do the problems of handout 1. Do the problems of handout 1. Okay, so handout 1 is completely generalized questions. Completely generalized questions. So don't have the fear of it. Okay, so take the handout. Yeah, here you have the questions. Backside you can do the rough work, or else you have the books, right, to do the rough work. Okay, solve it. Okay, now we have exactly 12 questions. The time I am allocating for you is, since this is the first one, I am giving you 18 minutes of time. How much is the time? 18 minutes. 12 questions, 18 minutes means each question I am allowing you 1.5 minute. How much time I am allowing you? 1.5 minute. Clear? Right. Let me stop it here. Okay. While I am explaining, listen carefully. Okay. So part 1. Right. Good. Part 1 by myself, Amarnath. See the first question. A3BC and DE2F be 4-digit numbers where each letter represents a different digit greater than 3. So the point 1 you have to notice is all the digits are different digits. That means no 2 digits are same. Right or wrong? And all the digits are greater than 3. Okay. Digit means we have only 0 to 9. And it is not equal to 3. It is more than 3. More than 3 means the digits that we have are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, these are the digits that we have. Okay. And in that A, B, C, D, E, F, 6 digits we have to find. Right or wrong? Total how many we have? 6. Okay, these 6 will be assigned to A, B, C, D, E, F. And the condition is that all are different digits. No 2 digits are same. Once I allocate suppose 4 to A, that means that B will never be 4. Yes or no? A different digit we have to go for. Okay, next one. If the sum of the numbers is 15902, then what is the difference between the values of A and D? Is asking about the difference between the values of A and D. Right, I am writing the addition A, 3, B, C, and the next one is D, E, 2, F. Right. The sum he specified is how much it is? 15902. Am I right? Good. Now observe. Visible? Now the question is not required now. Is it visible now? Right. Good. Listen. First, C plus F should be how much? C plus F is how much? Either 2 or 12 actually to get this. If I want to get it to 0 to 1, 1 are the possibilities. But all the digits are more than 3, right? So that is not possible. Means this will be 2 or this will be 12. This will be 12. Okay. 12 means I can say that C plus F, we have to get a value of 12. Keep it aside. The question is also not on C and F, right? I don't need to focus more on it. Okay, next one. B plus 2 plus 1 should be either 0 or 10. Am I right or wrong? Okay. So already 3 is there means 0 is not possible. Can I say it is 10? Okay. So these are 3. That means that can I say B value is 7? 7 plus 3 only 10 you will get, right? So B is 7. Okay. B is 7. These two are fixed. No other digit will be 7. Okay. That means that C plus F 12 means 7 plus 5 is 12 is a possibility actually. That is ruled out now because already 7 is engaged. Okay, good. Now 3 plus E plus 1 should be how much? Actually either 9 or 19. But 3 plus 1 is 4. To get 19, he should be 15. 15 is a digit or a number? So it is not possible. So leave it. So 3 plus E plus 1 should be 9. 3 plus 1 is 4. So to get 9, E should be how much? 5. Okay. E value is engaged to 5. Keep it aside. Okay. Now observe. 4 plus 8 is 12. And any other? To get 12. That is the only possibility, right or wrong? Okay. Can I say that these two values are assigned to C and F? Automatically these two values are assigned to remaining A and D. Okay. Shall we verify? A plus D is how much you got here? 6 plus 9, 15. Is it satisfied or not? Yes. So, A and D values are 6 and 9. I don't know A is 6 or D is 6. Because 6 plus 9 is 15. 9 plus 16 also, 9 plus 6 also 15. So, I don't know the value of A and D. But, he is not asking the value. He is asking about the difference between the values. Okay, what is the meaning of difference? Okay, my salary is 10 rupees. His salary is 12 rupees. My name is A, his name is B. What's the difference between A and B? 2. What's the difference between B and A? 2 only. Difference will never be negative. Difference means larger minus smaller. Okay, these two values are I am assigning to A and D. He's asking about the difference. What's the difference? 3. So what's the answer here? C is the answer. It's not a tough question. I don't say that it's an easy question. It's okay. We can do. Right, good. Is it clear? Let's see the next beautiful one. Okay. If A, B, C and D, E, F are both 3-digit numbers, okay, what is the intention behind saying both the 3-digit numbers? That means that this should not be 0, this should not be 0. If it is 0, it will become a 3-digit number or a 2-digit number? 2-digit number, right? Okay, good. Okay. So both are 3-digit numbers such that A, B, C, D, E and F are distinct non-zero digits. Okay, again distinct. Distinct means no two numbers are same. All are different. Okay, and all are non-zero. Means no zero. Okay, we have to think of only 1 to 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in these 9 values, these are 6 different digits. Okay, right, good. Now, such that A, B, C plus D, E, F should be equal to how much? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, then what is the value of A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F? I think it's an easy question, right, when compared to the previous one. Okay, tell me here, C plus F should be either 1 or 11 actually. Yes or no? To get 1 should be 0, other should be 1, right or no? But all are non-zero digits. So 0 is possible or impossible? Impossible. That means that C plus F will be 1 or C plus F will be 11. Okay, right here. C plus F is equal to how much? 11. Okay, 1 I am writing here, 1 I am writing here. Now, B plus E plus 1 should be either 1 or 11 again. Yes or no? In that, so as usual, like C plus F will not be equal to 1, right? In a similar manner, B plus E will also not be equal to 0. Suppose if B plus E is equal to 0, then 0 plus 1 will be 1, fine. But to get 0, B should be 0 and E should be 0. Is it right or wrong? But is it will it happen or will not happen? Will not happen because all are non-zero digits. Okay, that means that this value should be how much? 11. To get 11, what I can say? B plus E should be 10. I am writing here. B plus E should be 10. Okay, 10 plus 1 is 11. 1, 1. Now tell me same A plus D plus 1 should be how much? 11. So that means A plus D should be how much? 10. Okay. So shall we add all? Okay. If I add on the right side, 11 plus 10 will be how much? 31. If I add on the left side, A plus, B plus, C plus, D plus, E plus, F. That's what he is asking, right or wrong? A plus, B plus, C plus, D plus, E plus, F. Is equal to how much? 31. So which option is the answer? D is the answer. Am I clear? So the last one and this one are similar ones. Okay, good. So this is a 2023 question here. Okay. Right. The previous one is 2020 question, CSAT. Right. Next one. X is greater than or equal to 25 and Y is less than or equal to 40. Then which one of the following is always correct? Okay. So x lies in the range of greater than or equal to 25. Greater than or equal to means, okay, greater than or equal to 25. And what the other one he said, y is less than or equals to 40. Then which one of the following is always correct, he is asking. Okay. First one, what he is saying, x is greater than y. I can't say. Why? Because x might be equal to 25, right? One case I am writing. Okay, x is equal to 25 is a possibility and y is equal to 40 is also a possibility, right or wrong? In this case, x greater than y is correct or wrong? In this case, x greater than y is right or wrong? Wrong. He is saying that x is greater than y. Is it happening or not happening? Not happening. That is not always true. Sometimes it is true. Sometimes the statements he can pass is x can be greater than y. What is the meaning of can? Possibility. At that situation, we should say correct. But in this situation, it is not can. He is saying that should be greater than, yes or no? Okay. So that will be wrong one. Okay, leave it. Next one. So y minus x is greater than 15. Y minus x difference should be greater than 15. Okay. So in this case, y minus x is equal to how much here? 15. Okay. What he is saying, greater than or equal to or strictly greater than? Strictly greater than. Is it happening here or not happening? Means now tell me, is this correct one or wrong one? Wrong one. Okay, ruled out. Next one. What's the other one he is saying? Y minus x is less than or equal to 15. Shall we verify? Because already in this example, y is equal to 15 is happening. Okay, y minus x will be less than 15 or not, I have to verify. Yes or no? Okay, good. So, y minus x should have a greatest value, suppose if I want to think. Okay, I am writing here what the statement he passed is y minus x is less than or equal to 15. Is it right or wrong? Is it right or wrong? Okay. So, suppose if it need to be happen, y minus x has the greatest value of 15. Is it right? Y minus x has the greatest value of 15. Is it right or wrong? Okay, good. So, if this need to be greatest, y should be greatest. Am I right or wrong? Y should be greatest. Am I right or wrong? Okay, what will be the value of x? It should be greatest or least? Greatest or least? Least. Suppose, imagine, this is my income. This is my expenditure. This is my savings. Income minus expenditure is nothing but savings, right? Okay. So, if my savings need to be increased, my income should increase. My expenditure should decrease, right or wrong? Okay, now to get this maximum value, this should be greatest and x should be greatest or least? Least. Okay, then this greatest and its least difference will definitely, if it is happens, automatically that is correct, yes or no? What is the greatest value of y? What is the greatest value of y? 40. What is the least value of x? X is either 25 or more, means least value is 25. Means its difference is how much? 15. Now tell me, is this valid or not? Y minus x greatest value is 15. Means other values will be less than 15. Less than 15 means correct or wrong? Say it loudly. Do you understand my explanation or can I repeat it? Understood or can I repeat? Understood. So y minus x greatest value is how much? 15 means y minus x is either less than or equal to 15. So the third one is correct. The third one is correct. Am I clear? Good. Suppose in the examination, if you get this idea, that's perfect. If you won't get this idea, what should you do? Okay, so take it. 25, 40, right? Take the values of x and y in all the three ranges. Try. Whatever you get, that is the final answer. Not one range, all the ranges. Okay, x is how much? 25 or more. Means take one value of x 25, another here, another 40, another more than 40. 4 values. Okay. And y value is less than or equal to 40. So 41, okay, less than 25 to 41, 25 1, less than 25 1. Verify with these 4 values, 4 intervals. Whatever the conclusion that you get, that is the final one. Am I clear to you? That is mathematically, conceptually. If you get that idea, that is superb. Else, think like this. Can I go to the next one? Right there. X and y are natural numbers other than 1. The most important one is x and y are natural numbers, no decimal, no negative, no 0, and no 1. Other than 1 we have. Okay. So, and y is greater than x. Okay, y is greater than x. Okay. So, which of the following represents the largest number? Okay, this is also CSAT 2018 question. Okay, which of the following is the greatest? Okay, what you have to think is y greater than x. Y greater than x. Okay, greatest value means in general multiplication will be greatest or other than multiplication will be greatest. In general, multiplication. So by default, your brain says that this is the greatest, yes or no? Okay, but I want to confirm. I want to confirm. Okay, y greater than x and none of the number is 1. Take some numbers. Okay, tell me what some value for y. Give me some value of y. 3. Okay, good. Give me some value for x. 2. Because other than 1, natural number means 2 only possibility. Okay. Now verify all the 2. 3 into 2 is how much? 6. This is 2 by 3. Oh my god. This is y by x means 3 by 2. This is x plus y, that is 5 by xy, that is 6. He's asking the greatest one. Now tell me here, which is the greatest? The game is over. What is the answer? First one is the answer. Okay. Right. So the next beautiful one. Are you able to follow? Okay, good. So the next one. Consider the following statements in respect of two natural numbers p and q such that p is a prime number and q is a composite number. What's p? P is a prime. What is q? Q is a composite. Okay, good. So in prime numbers, when you are checking something about prime numbers, remember that in prime numbers we can further classify into two types. Even primes, odd primes. We have only even prime number, one number. What is that? 2. Odd primes means all the remaining are odd primes only. 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. Any case if you want to study, okay, these are case study only, right? Okay, then check the prime number for both. Check the prime number for both. Okay, good. What do you say? P into Q can be an odd number. Alright, what is the most beautiful word in this question? Can be. Can be means, is it possible or not? He is asking. If I can show that at least in one case it is possible, the game is over, right? Okay. P into Q can be an odd number. Okay. Sir, I know that two numbers product is odd number means both should be prime odd numbers. Yes or no? Already I discussed odd into odd only you will get odd number. Yes or no? So prime number becoming odd number is a possibility or not? Yes. Okay. Q is a composite number, right or wrong? Natural numbers p and q. Q is a composite number. Is there any composite number which is an odd number? Yes, so many, sir. 9 is a composite number which is an odd number. Okay. So odd number into odd number. Yes, you will get odd number. Is it a possibility or not? Say it loudly. Yes, it is. First one is correct. Because he is asking above statements are correct. Which one are correct? So first one is correct. Okay, come to the second one. Q by P can be a prime number. Q by P. Q, what is Q? Composite. What is P? Prime number. He is asking can. Can means possibility again. Okay. So always remember possibility means try to say that it is possible. Okay. Try to prove that it is possible. You are trying to prove but still you are unable to prove. That means that is possible or impossible? Say loudly. Impossible. Right or wrong? Okay. So Q by P can be a prime number. Okay. So I am taking Q is equal to 9. I am taking P is equal to 3. Q by P is how much? 3. Is it a prime number or not? Yes, it is. Okay. So happily second one is possible or impossible? Possible. Possible. What is the third one? P plus Q can be a prime number. P plus Q. What is P? Prime number. What is Q? Composite number. What's the beautiful word he used? Can. Means try to prove it. If you are unable to prove, okay, that is wrong. Okay, what I will do is, okay, P is a prime number, sir. Q is a composite number, sir. What's the sum? Is a prime number. Is it a possibility or not? Okay, happy. So third one is also correct. So all, which is correct? All 1, 2, 3 are correct. Am I clear, my dear persons? Say it loudly. Right, good. So see the next beautiful one. Consider the following in respect of prime numbers P and composite number C. What he said is P is a prime number, C is a composite number. Okay. What's the first one? P plus C by P minus C can be even. Have you tried this question? Do you got that one correct or wrong? Yes? Okay, tell me one example. P plus C by P minus C can be an even number. What is? P is a prime number, C is a composite number. Okay. P I am taking as 11 and C is a composite number, I am taking as 9. Can I? Can I? P plus C is how much? P minus C is how much? 10. P minus C is 2. Okay, right. What is the division? 10. Is 10 an even number or not? Even. He is asking about can only, right? Is it possible or impossible? Yes, it is. So, first one is okay. First one is okay. Go to the second one. Okay, 2P plus C can be odd. 2P plus C can be odd. Okay. If you want to get an odd number, what is the rule here? Odd number plus odd number or even number plus odd number? When do you get the odd number? Even plus odd. Okay. Sir, already 2P means it is even, right or wrong? 2 into anything will be even only, right? Okay, 2P is even. Means now tell me C should be even or odd? Okay. Sir, 2 into any prime number is even? No problem, sir. So, C becoming odd. If it is possible, this is possible. Yes or no? C means composite number. Do you have any composite number which is an odd number? Yes. So, I can say 9 is a composite number, right? Now tell me, is it possible or impossible? Possible. Possible means second one is possible or not? Yes, the second one is also correct answer. Right? So, the third one, P into C can be odd number. Okay. Right here, P into C should be odd number. Right. If P into C need to be odd number, already I said that. When do you get two numbers product as odd number? Odd into odd. Okay. So, he is saying that indirectly P should be odd and C should be odd. Yes, there are odd prime numbers like 3, 5, 7, etc. C should be odd number. C is a composite number. Yes, 9 is a composite number. Yes, 3 into 9 automatically you will get an odd number, right or wrong? It is possible or impossible? Possible. He is asking about can only, na? He is not asking about always. Can. Okay. So, this is also correct. So, now which are the following are correct? So, which are the following are correct? All 1, 2, 3 are correct. Am I clear? Good. So, this is a question in CSAT 2023. Okay. Now, tell me here. So, this type of questions you can answer only at the time of examination if you feel that if your brain is pleasant and if you think properly, if you have the dynamism, then only you can solve it. Am I right or wrong? Else you can't. Okay. That is the beauty of CSAT examination. That's the beauty of CSAT examination. Okay. Right, let's go to the next beautiful question. Have you done it? Okay. This we can work out in two ways. Okay. Answer that. Let P, Q, R and S be natural numbers such that P minus 2016 okay, is equals to Q plus 2017 is equals to R minus 2018 is equals to S plus 2019. Which one of the following is the largest natural number? Which one of the following is the largest natural number? Okay, shall we see? Okay. Now I am explaining you mathematically. Sir, mathematically what I will do is I will keep it 0, sir. Any problem for you? Any problem? Okay. Now tell me here, P minus 2006 is equal to 0. What is the value of P? Say it loudly, 2016. Okay. Q plus 2017 is equal to 0. What's the value of Q? Plus or minus? Okay. R minus 2018 is 0. What is the value of R? Plus 2018. Okay. S plus 2019 is 0. What is the value of S? Minus 2018. Okay. What do you want here? Largest. Yeah, tell me here which is largest. I mean, the game is over. Okay. What's the answer? R is the answer. C. This is a CSAT 2020 question. Okay. So, the other way of doing the same problem is, suppose imagine, okay, PQR 2% assume. PQR 2% assume. Both are not equal, surely. P is reducing, Q is increasing to equate. Yes or no? Can I say that the graph is like this? Now tell me here which is greatest, P or Q? P is greatest. Yes or no? When you are adding means you are not up to that level. You need to add something. Yes or no? That means where you are adding, that will be not the greatest ones. These two are not the greatest ones. In these two only greatest. To reach this level, first one has to reduce 2016, second one 2018. Now tell me which is on the top floor? 2018, right or wrong? So that is the greatest. This is the greatest. R is greatest. Got the same answer or not? This is visualization. Without having mathematical knowledge also you can do it. Okay. Shall we go for the next question? Shall we? Good. In a box of marbles, there are 3 less white marbles than the red ones. Okay, white marbles are 3 less than the red. Okay, so white is equals to 3 less than red. Okay, right, good. And 5 more white marbles than the green ones. 5 more white marbles than the green ones. Means white is equals to green plus 5. Right? Okay, what he is asking? If there are a total of 10 white marbles, so white marbles are 10. How many marbles are there in the box? Maybe this is the easiest question that you wrote. Right or wrong? Okay, what is the white? 10. So means minus 3 move this side. What is red? 13, right? 7 or 13? 13. Okay, white is 10. Move the 5 this side. G will be how much? 5. Total means white are 10, green are 30, red are 13, green are 5. Total is how much? 28. Total is how much? 28. Am I clear? Can I go to the next one? Can I? Okay. 6 boys, A, B, C, D, E and F play a game of cards. Okay, they are playing the game of cards. Each has a pack of 10 cards. So each one has 10 cards. F borrows 2 cards from A and gives 5 away to C. Okay, write it. A, B, C, D, E, F. Totally 6 members. Each one has how many cards? 10 cards. Okay. Now what is it? F borrows 2 cards from A. Okay. So, and gives 5 away to C. Okay. Now in this transaction, F got 2 from A, right? So A has now only 8. Yes or no? Then F will become how much? 12. But he gave 5 to C. That means 12 minus 5. How much finally F have? 7. That 5 is given to C. Already C has 10. Now it will become 15. Okay, next statement. C, okay, 5 to C, who in turn gives 3 to B. Okay, C has given 3 cards to B. Means now tell me C has 15 or 12 only. B has 13. Okay, while B gives 6 to D. Okay, means this B has given 6 cards to D. Now tell me how many B has? 7. D has 16. Okay, 6 to D. D who passes 1 to E. He is passing 1 card to E. Now tell me D has only 15. E has 11. Okay, now then the number of cards possessed by D and E is equals to D and E 15 plus 11 is how much? 26. Okay, he is asking which of the following? A, B, C, B, C, F, A, C, F and so on. Got my point? Okay, so 7 plus 12 is how much here? 14 plus 12, 26. Equal to them. Okay, who they are? B, C, F. Which option is the answer? Got it? It is a serious question or a simple question? Simple question. Now tell me, this comes under number system or permutations or anything or simple equations? Simple equations. Okay, the previous one comes under simple equations. That's why I am mixing number system and simple equations. Okay, good. Can I go to the next one? With patience only we have to work out. For a charity show, the total tickets sold were 420. Okay, number of tickets are 420. Okay, half of these tickets were sold at the rate of 5 rupees each. Out of 420, half means how much it is here? 210. These 210 tickets were sold each one at 5 rupees. Not all the tickets together 5 rupees. Each one at 5 rupees. Means what is the money that will be generated here? 210 into 5. Can I say 1050? Okay. Next one. 1/3 at the rate of 3 rupees each. 1/3 means 1/3 of 420. Can I say 140 tickets? Okay. Each one sold at 3 rupees. So can I say the revenue is nothing but 140 into 3, that is equals to 420? Sorry. Yeah. Right or wrong? The revenue. Next one. And the rest for 2 rupees each. And the rest means a total 420, sir. 210 plus 140 is already 350. Already how much? 350. How many are remaining? Okay, each one sold it just 2 rupees. Oh my God. 70 into 2, how much it is? 140 rupees. What's the question he is asking? What is the total amount received? Means if you sell like this, what is the total amount? What is the total amount? Means can I say add these all numbers? 0, 0, 0. 5 plus 2 plus 4. How much it is? 11. Okay, 0 plus 4 plus 1. 6, 1. So answer is 1610. Which option is the answer? C is the answer. Right or wrong? I hope everybody did this question. Okay, good. Shall we go for the next one? Good. This is the CSAT 2022 question here. Just a test for your patience. Okay, right. What he said? How many seconds in total are there in X weeks, X days, X hours, X minutes, and X seconds? Yes or no? Okay. So what we have to do is X weeks. Okay, plus X days plus X hours plus X minutes plus X seconds. Okay, in this one, can I take X common? Can I take X common? Okay, X I am taking as common. Okay, now it will be 1 week, 1 day, 1 hour, and 1 minute, and 1 second. All you need to convert it into seconds only, right or wrong? He's asking how many seconds are there. Okay, so convert. 1 has to keep it. Minute means how many seconds? 60. Okay, 1 hour means 3600. Right or wrong? Okay, 1 day means how many hours? 24 hours. Okay, 24 into 3600. Yes or no? Okay, test for your patience and your calculation skill. 24 36 are how much? What are you talking, sir? Come on, 24 36 are how much? Do it. How much? 86400. Yeah. So you should be smart always and every place. Okay. 2 zeros I'll keep as is, sir. Okay, forget about it. 24 into 36, right? In your brain, you can feel it is 30 minus 6 into it is 30 plus 6. Time will be saved if you imagine like that. Right or wrong? So 30 square minus 6 square. 30 square is 900 minus 36. So 864. So 86400. Here it is 1 week here. 1 week means how many days? 1 day means this is right. 7 days means into 7. Okay. 0, 0. 7 into 4 is 28. 7 into 6 is 42 plus 2, 44. 7 into 8 is 56 plus 4, 60. Right or no? Okay. So now what we have to add here? These are all the things that we have to add. 604800. Okay. Right, good. Shall we add all these numbers? Yeah, 86400. Okay, day completed. Hour means 3600. Minute means 60. Second means 1. I'm adding all. Yeah, units place is 1, 6. How many digits are there with 1, 6? Luckily, we have only 1. So, answer is D. So, sir, the last 2 digits should be how much? 6 and 1. Where you have? That is the 1. That is the 1. See, in the question was made complex by giving these two are ones. These two are ones. Okay. Yes, exactly. Why? Because when you take x common, this is already how much? 1. Units place only I am comparing. Minute means 60, units place is 0. Always you will get 0, right here. The units place will be 1. Without doing anything from this step only, I can say that the units place is 1. But unfortunately, we have 2 options with 1. That's why I have to calculate the second digit. That's why I did all these things. Else that much is not required. Else that much is not required. Okay, right. Actually, if you think wise, if you want to save your time, you have another beautiful point. Here, this is 60 minutes. This is 1 second. If I go to 1 hour, these two will be zeros, right? Because this digit decides the answer, right or wrong? Yes or no? Okay. So next one, these two will be zeros only, right or wrong? Yes or no? So automatically this digit will be how much? Units place is how much? 1. So total is required or only if I think of this one, the answer you will get it? The answer you will get it. So what's the answer here? It is D. Do you understand what I said? Say it loudly. Okay, good. Okay, can I go to the next question? You want to copy? Can I? Right. So the next question. 5 friends P, Q, X, Y and Z purchased some notebooks. The relevant information is given below. Okay, actually in your handout it is O. I have taken it as Q. Okay, so it will be in order P, Q, X, Y, Z. Okay, actually the question paper has in 2022 it is Q only, but the typist by mistake has given 0. O. Okay, the name doesn't give any sense for you, right? So not a problem. Okay, right, good. 5 friends P, Q, X, Y and Z purchased some notebooks. The relevant information is given below. First point, Z purchased 8 notebooks more than X. Can I say Z is equals to X plus 8? Okay. Come to the second one. P and Q together purchased 21 notebooks. So P and Q together 21 notebooks. Q purchased 5 notebooks less than P did. So P purchased 5 notebooks less than P. Okay, means can I say that Q is equals to P minus 5? Right. Next one. X and Y together purchased 28 notebooks. X plus Y is equals to 28. Next one. P purchased 5 notebooks more than X. Okay. P purchased 5 notebooks more than X. X plus 5. Okay. Suppose if I know each member purchased how many books, the game is over, right or wrong? Okay. So that's why what I'm doing is, wherever you have some common ones, I will take it. Okay. So Q, P, P, Q. I'll get the value of P and Q's, right or wrong? Okay. So write Q is equal to P minus 5. Okay. P plus P. 2P. Move the minus 5 this side. 26. Right. What's the value of P? 13. Okay. So P got 13 books. P and Q together 21. In that P got 13. Means Q should get how much? How many? 8. So Q got 8. Okay. These two completed. Next one. So we know that P got 13. P is equal to X plus 5. What's the value of X? 8. X got 8 notebooks. Okay. Next one. So if you know X value, substitute X 8 here. What's the value of Z? 16. Z got 16. Okay. Next one. X is 8. X plus Y is 28. Means what's the value of Y? 20. How many notebooks Y purchased? 20. Okay. So now tell me total how many books were purchased? Add it. If I want it, I will do it. Go to the next one. If each notebook is priced at 40 rupees. Each notebook is 40 rupees. Okay, then what is the total cost of all the notebooks? All the notebooks means how many books you bought into 40, right or wrong? How many books you bought means just add them. Okay, 8 plus 8, 16, plus 16, 32, plus 20, 52, plus 13, 65 books. Right or wrong? Into 40. Keep the 0 aside. Okay, 4 means can I imagine it as 2 into 2? 65 2s are 130. 130 2s are 260. So what's the answer? 2600. It is A. This is A. Huh. Why don't you ask at the time of explanation only? Okay, that time only better ask me. Okay, anyhow, is it clear for you? Is it clear to all? Right, now I am going to the 8th question. Okay, good. Right, observe that in a box of marbles, there are 3 less white marbles than the red ones. Means when compared to red, you have 3 less white marbles, right or wrong? So white is nothing but 3 less than the red, right? Okay, next statement. So and right, white marbles than the red ones, and 5 more white marbles than the green ones. 5 more white marbles than green. That means when compared to green, white are 5 more. Can I say that white is equals to green plus 5? Okay. Then next, if there are a total of 10 white marbles are 10. If I substitute here, I'll get red and green. Okay. He is asking about how many marbles are there in the box? Total marbles. Total marbles means I want white plus red plus green. Okay, to get the 10, G plus 5 is 10. What is the value of G? 5. W is 10, G is 5. Now I have to go for red. Okay, white are 10. R minus 3 is 10. R is how much? 13. So red are 13. So total 18 plus 10 is 28. Clear for you? Yeah, any doubts, my dear boys and girls? Say it loudly. Come on, speak out. Which one? Wait a second. Wait. I'll come into the point. X plus y is greater than or equal to 65. Okay, it is strictly greater than, right? Okay. What I am thinking is x will be more than or equal to 25. Okay, one possibility I am saying x is equal to 25. Is it possible? Y is less than or equal to 40. Less than or equal to means any less value I can take, right? Okay, I am taking y is equal to 0. What is the value of x plus y? 65 or more than 65 or less than 65? So now fourth one is correct or wrong? Wrong. Next, any other? My dear boys and girls of offline and online, anybody has a doubt, feel free to ask me. No doubt? Can I go to the next concept? Say it loudly. Okay. Now we are entering into handout 2. So if I want to enter into handout 2, first I have to give some concept to you, right? Okay, good. So the concept now we are entering is units places, highest power and number of zeros at the end. These three concepts we have to cover now. Okay. Right. Suppose if I give a simple question called, already we see one example of x hours, x weeks, x days, right or wrong? There we have verified the units place, right? Okay. Suppose if I ask you simple questions on units places. Okay, units places or last digit. Units place or digit is last one. Okay, the other name of it is last digit. Okay, last digit. Okay, what I can say is, suppose simple questions if he is asking 53 plus 42, what is the units place? UP means units place. Okay, tell me here, you have to do the entire calculation or only the units place is enough? Only the units places. 3 plus 2 is how much? 5. Superb. So even if I have a multiplication 868 into 476, what is the units place? 8 6s are 48, means units place is how much? 8. Even though if he asks a difference, okay, 576 into 432 minus 571 into 121, suppose he is asked about the units place. What will you do? 6 into 2 is how much? 6 into 2 is how much? 12, means can I take it as 2? Units place only. Minus 1 into 1 is how much? 1. 2 minus 1 is how much? 1. Superb. Yes or no? Suppose the question is 576 into 432 minus 578 into 123 he is asking. What is the units place? Tell me first. Good. You will get positive units place or negative units place actually? Negative units place, right or wrong? Okay. So what I can say is 6 2s are 12 means 2 minus 8 3s are 24 means 4. 2 minus 4 is how much? Minus 2. But the units place will be negative or it will always be positive? Always be positive. But you got negative. That is the reason what we have to do is anywhere if you get the negative, two things you can do. Number one, instead of taking it as 2, you know from your childhood, if you are unable to subtract, you will borrow, right? Automatically it will become 2 or 12? 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. So answer is 8. Happy. Or else, suppose you got negative units place. Then you simply add 10. What do you have to add? 10. Minus 2 plus 10 is how much? 8. You got the same answer or different ones? Same. Okay. So now you will get a doubt that, sir, why you are adding 10? Why are you adding 10? So hold the doubt till I explain the concept of reminders. till I'll explain the concept of reminders. Up to that, please hold in your brain. Okay. So we will see after some time. Okay. When we are discussing about reminders, you will get to know why I am adding 10. Anyhow, the basic level questions, is it clear for you? Good. Suppose he is asking 273 power 4. Okay. What is the units place? Okay. I have to think of entire one or only 3 power 4? Do you know the value of 3 power 4? How much it is? If you know 81, the unit space is 1. If you don't know, what will you do? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are? 3 3s are? 9. 9 9s are? Means unit space is? The game is over. Superb, sir. Sir, now my question is, instead of giving this one, the question he gave is 273 power 579. What is the unit space? Earlier you got only power 4 means you said 3 3 3 3. Now this time am I able to show that 579 times like this? And 9 9 9 9 9. Right or wrong? So that's why that works or will not work? Will not work. But its answer is very simple. Its unit place is 7. Means behind some concept is there. If you know that, if you observe, to answer this question I have consumed a lot of time or very less time? Very less time, right? Means some concept is behind it. Shall we go for it? Okay. So observe that number system learning has two phases actually, two types of learnings. Number one, suppose if we are going in a workshop, means purely exam oriented workshop. That's why what I am doing directly, I am coming to unit spaces, reminders, one by one I will discuss, give the handout, work it out, that's it. So if everybody cooperates, in the next month we will try to plan one regular session on, not this is a workshop, 10 days, limited. Okay, we have unlimited classes next month. Okay, that time what happens is, elaboratedly each and every concept we will discuss. Elaboratedly each and every concept we will discuss. Means, suppose if you observe these questions, from 2013 or 14 onwards you have the questions, right or wrong? From that time to this time, and in the past 10 years, whatever are the questions and concepts that he covered, we are covering for you. So before that, some other questions may be given that we are not covering for you, right or wrong? Those will also be covered if you have the interest of learning the concept. Ask the management, enroll with them. Okay, if you enroll good number, automatically we'll start the batch. Okay, okay, keep it aside. Now I'm coming back to the questions. Okay, good. So if I have higher powers, I have to know the concept. I have to know the concept. Okay, what we have to know is, we will further divide them into, we have a beautiful concept called periodicity. What is the concept? Periodicity. So everybody already knows that what is meant by a period. Period means it will repeats. It will repeats. After how long it repeats, we will call it as period. The time period we will call it as periodicity. Yes or no? Okay. We have three types of periodicities. First one is periodicity 1. For which digits we have periodicity 1? Shall we think of it? Okay. So I am not giving you directly memorize. I am explaining you how do you memorize. Okay. Good. Suppose take 5. 5 power 1 is how much here? Unit space I am writing here. 5. 5 square is how much? 25. Means 5 only. 5 cube is how much? 125. 5. Means always same. Can I say that its periodicity is 1? Okay. So 5 is 1 digit. Okay. Suppose if I go for 6. 6 power 1 is how much? 6. 6 square is 36. Means 6 only. 6 cube will be 216. Means 6 only. Always the same. So can I say that its periodicity is also 1? Okay. Suppose go with the 10. 10 power 1 is how much? 10. Units place is 0. 10 square is 100. Means units place is 0. And always 0. Right or wrong? Okay. So 0 is a digit. Next one, go with 11. 11 power 1 means units place is how much? 1. 11 square is 121 means 1. 11 cube is 13311 means for the units place 1, the periodicity is 1. For these 4 digits, the periodicity is how much? 1. For these 4 digits, the periodicity is how much? 1. Do you understand what I am saying? Okay. Since for them the periodicity is 1, the question, suppose if you ask anyone like this, he is asking 255 power 376. What is the units place he is asking? Okay, very simple, sir. Its units place depends upon only 5 power. 5 means periodicity is 1. Periodicity 1 means always the same units place. So, happily answer is 5. The game is over. Yes or no? Okay, good. Suppose if he gave a question 57686 power 4327. Suppose he is asking what is the units place. It depends upon only the units place, that is 6. 6 means periodicity is how much? 1 means always the same. So what is the units place? 6. Okay, hope you understand. So 570 is the power 237. What is the units place? 0. Fast. 431 power 7368. What is the units place? 1. Periodicity is 1 is clear. Can I go to the next one? Can I? Okay. Yeah. Anywhere if you want to copy, ask me. Wait for a while so that we will copy. I will wait. Else I will go on. Because all will not write the notes. Some will write, some will not write. That's why if you want the time, ask me. Can I go to the next slide? Great. Right now, periodicity 2 I am going. What I am going with is periodicity 2. Okay, suppose go with 4. 4 power 1 is how much? 4 square is how much? 16. 6. 4 cube is how much? 64 means 4. 4 power 4 is how much? Now students are struggling that, sir, we don't know 4 power 4. Right? Then very simple. This one into 4. 4 4 is 16 means 6. Suppose if I am asking 4 power 5. Okay. 6 into 4, 24 means 4. Hope you understand? Okay. Every 2 times it is repeating. Okay. So can I say that 4's periodicity is how much? 2? Okay. Suppose if I go with the next one, 6, so not 6, 9. 9 power 1 is how much? 9. 9 square is how much? 81. 9 cube is how much? If you know 729, else 1 into 9 is 9. 9 power 4 is how much? Its value is 9 power 4, right? So 650, 6561. Okay. Else 9 into 9 is 81, 1. Hope you understand. 9191. So can I say that 9's periodicity is 2? Okay. For these two digits, the periodicity is how much? 2. If the periodicity is 2, observe the beautiful point. 4 power 5, 3, 1. All are giving same units place. That is nothing but 1, 3, 5. Common property is odd. Okay. If it is 4 power odd, you will get 4 only. Nothing but 4 power 1 only. Yes or no? Because 1 is an odd number, right? Okay. See the remaining 2, 4. You got the same units places, right? Means 4 power even. You got how much? 6 is nothing but 4 square 16. You got 6. 2 is an even number, right or wrong? Like this you can memorize. Same to same, verify 9 power odd. How much you are getting? 1, 3. 9. That is 9 power 1. 9 power even. What you are getting? 2, 4. 1 only means 9 square. Okay. Means for the powers, for the base, for the units places of 4 and 9, it will depends upon power even or odd. Don't say odd and even. Power even or odd. Okay. Right. Good. Now what I will. Yeah. Are they clear for you? Can I give some examples? Okay. Good. Suppose the example is 574 power 376. Its unit place is how much? It depends upon 4. 4 means immediately in your brain the concept that you should recollect is power is even or odd. Here the power is even or odd? Even. Power is even means I have to go with 4 square. 4 square means how much? 16 means 6. Okay, its unit place is 6. Okay? Right, suppose he gave 239 power 781 units place is how much? 9. 9 means periodicity is 2. 2 means we have to verify power even or odd. Okay, power is odd. 9 power odd means units place will be 9 power 1. That is equals to 9. Understood? If it is clear means I will go to the next periodicity. Right, can I go to the next? Good. So, the next periodicity is 4, not 3. Periodicity is 4. Okay. Shall we take the example? Okay. So, 2 power 1 is how much here? 2. 2 square is 4. 2 cube is 8. 2 power 4 is 16, means 6. As I said earlier, if you are unable, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16 means 6. Hope you understand? Continue the same. Okay, whatever the power I am asking. I don't want the value, I just want the units place, right? Okay. Now tell me 2 power 5 means? 6 2s are 12, means 2. Okay. 2 power 6 means? 2 2s are 4. 2 power 7 means? 8. 2 power 8 means? 6. 2 power 9 means? 2. 2 power 10 means? 4, and so on, right or wrong? Observe 2486, 2486, 2486. They will repeat. After how long they are repeating? 4 times. Right or wrong? Since they are repeating for every 4 times, I can say that 2's periodicity is 4. Similarly, 3, 7 and 8. Earlier it is only small means I have written, but this time I have to write 10 times. Okay, it's a waste of time, right? That's why I am writing directly. Okay, for the remaining 2, 3, 7 and 8, the periodicity is how much? 4. Okay. First of all, everybody should memorize the periodicity of each and every digit. What's the periodicity of 5? What's the periodicity of 7? 4. What's the periodicity of 4? 2. What's the periodicity of 1? 1. What's the periodicity of 6? 1. 6, 1. What's the periodicity of 9? It's 2. What's the periodicity of 3? What's the periodicity of 6? What's the periodicity of 0? 1. Not 0, 1. Okay? Because any question if he asks, first you should memorize what is the periodicity. According to that, the algorithm changes, right or wrong? If the periodicity is 1 means always the same. If the periodicity 2 means power even or odd, the game is over. Now the periodicity 4, I'll explain you how do we solve it. Okay? Good. Yeah, before going to that, I'll ask you one question. 1 divided by 4, what is the remainder? One divided by 4, I am asking the remainder only. 1 only. Yes or no, yaar? Suppose 1 divided by 4, 4 zeros are 0, remainder is 1, happily. Right? Okay, now the question is 17 divided by 232. What is the remainder? $17 only, na? Okay. Moral of the story is, if the divisor is larger than the dividend, dividend itself is the remainder. Got it? If the divisor is larger than the dividend, dividend itself acts as the remainder. Am I clear? Because that point also I will use now. That point also I will use now. Okay? Good. Can I go to the next one? Good. Observe that. Here, consider this one. Consider this 5. Consider this 9. Units places verify. Same or different? For 1, you power. Units places how much? 2. For 5, units places 2. For 9, units places 2. Same units places. Nothing but these all are 4 multiples plus 1. 0 is a 4 multiple, plus 1 means 1. 4 is a 4 multiple, plus 1 means 5. 8 is a 4 multiple, plus 1 means 9. Yes or no? Okay, 4 multiples plus 1. Sir, how do we identify 4 multiple plus 1? 4 multiple plus 2, 4 multiple plus 3 means 4 multiple plus extra is nothing but the remainder. Yes or no? Suppose take any number 9, divide with 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 is a 4 multiple, extra is 1, that is the remainder. Yes or no? Suppose take 23, divide with 5, 5 4s are 20. So 20 is a 5 multiple, it is 3 extra, that 3 is the remainder. Yes or no? Yes or no? 4 multiple plus something, right? That is nothing but a remainder. Okay, that's why what we have to do is divide the power with 4. 4 multiple means it is divided with 4. And consider the remainder. And consider the remainder R. And consider the remainder R. Okay, now if I want to consider the remainder R, what I have to observe is, here remainder is 1, here also remainder is 1, here also remainder is 1. The answer is nothing but 2 power 1, yes or no? Verify the answer, 2 power 1 or not. Okay, now consider 2, 6, 10. Okay, 4 multiple plus 2, 4 multiple plus 2, 4 multiple plus 2. 10 means 4 2s are 8, 2 extra. Or divide 10 with 4. 4 2s are 8. Remainder is how much? 2. Okay, the answer is 4. Nothing but 2 square. When the remainder is 1, it is 2 power 1. When the remainder is 2, 2 square. Yes or no? Simply 2 power the remainder. What is the units place? 2 power the remainder. I am writing here. Okay, remainder is 1 means 2 power 1. Remainder is 2, 2 power 2. Remainder is 3, 2 power 3. Remainder is 4, 2 power 4. Say yes or no? Am I clear? Okay. Sir, I have shown for 2, sir. What about for 3? The same or a different one? Same, you will get a different one. Same only, because it will also repeat for every 4 times now. So that's why again same only. Okay, for 3 also the same cinema. Okay, if we gave any question that is so and so 573 power 573 something, divide the power with 4 and consider the remainder. What do you have to consider? The remainder. If the remainder is 1, 3 power 1. 2 means 3 square. 3 means 3 cube. 4 means 3 power 4. Okay, for 7 also the same. 7 power 1, 7 square, 7 cube, 7 power 4. For 8 also the same. 8 power 1, 8 square, 8 cube and 8 power 4. Am I clear? Any doubt? So far? No doubt. Okay. Since you don't have a doubt, I have a doubt. I will ask you. Since you have no doubt means you are clear. Since you are clear, I am asking my doubt to you. Make me clear. Are you ready? Okay. Can I go to the next slide? For a while? I'll come back again. So, now my question is, sir, I am dividing a number with 5, sir. What are the reminders I can get? I am dividing a number with 5. Okay. What are the reminders I can get? Means possible reminders I am asking. 0 is a possible or not? 0 is a possibility or not? What about 1? 2, 3, 4, possible or not? 5? No. Because, observe, I am taking 20 to 25. These all are 5 multiples. Okay, I am taking 21, 22, 23, 24. Divide with 5, the remainder is 0. Divide with 5, the remainder is 1. 5, 2, 3, 24 means 4. Again 0 only. There is no scope of getting 5, yes or no? Okay. So, what are the reminders that you will get is 0 to 4. Suppose if you divide a number with 3, what are the reminders you will get? 0, 1, 2. So, generalize. If you are dividing a number with something called x, the reminders are 0 to x minus 1. What are the reminders you will get? 0 to x minus 1 only. Got it? Okay, now tell me here, if you are dividing a number with 10, what are the reminders that you will get? 0 to 9. 0 to 9. Okay, if you are dividing a number with 25, the reminders are from 0 to 24, right or no? If you are dividing a number with 4, what are the reminders that you can get? 0 to 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3. Yes or no? Okay. Sir, you are dividing the number with 4, sir. The reminders are from 0 to 3 only, right or wrong? Okay, 1 okay, 2 okay, 3 okay. How you got 4? You will get 4 or no 4? No 4. 0 we will treat it as 4. Okay? When you divide with 4, you will never get a remainder of 4. The 0 we will consider it as 4. Am I clear to you? Do you understand why I said that I have a doubt? To give you the concept. 0 means you will consider it as 4. So we will take it as 2 power 4, 3 power 4, 7 power 4, 8 power 4. Any doubt so far? Clear? Okay, good. So can I give you a few examples on it? So periodicity 1 is very easy. Periodicity 2 is also easy only. Periodicity 4 has some concept to learn. That's why we have to practice. Shall we do one example? Okay, good. See here. Okay, I am taking an example. 25 27 power 543. Okay, what is the units place he is asking? Okay, first of all, what is the units place here? 7. Okay, here actually the next topic has units places, highest power and number of zeros at the end. These 3 topics. If I want to give you the handout means I have to solve these first. Else what happens is without giving anything, directly throwing into the war. First we have to train you, then we have to throw you into the war because you are all the soldiers, right or wrong? Right? Now we are giving the training for you. So don't worry, next I will throw you into the war. As usual, you will write the examination followed by explanation. Okay? Good, listen. So I have to think of 7 power 543. 7 means periodicity is 4. If the periodicity is 4, what I said? What I said? Divide the power with 4 and consider the remainder. Here one beautiful point is there. The entire 543 if you divide with 4 or last 2 digits of 43 if you divide with 4, you will get the same remainder. Okay, suppose I am showing you, since it is the first example, 543 by 4. 4 ones, 14 means 4 threes, 23 means 4 fives, remainder is 3 you got, right or wrong? Suppose go with 43 by 4, 4 tens and the remainder is 3 only, right or wrong? You got the same remainder or different? So, if you want to take the remainder when you divide with 4, the entire number is required or last 2 digits is enough? Last 2 digits is enough, okay? Right, good. So, last 2 digits are 43 means the remainder is 3. So, answer's units place is 7 power 3. 7 power 3 means 7 into 7 into 7. Okay. Already if you know 7 cube 343, that's fine. Or else 7 sevens are 49 means 9. 9 sevens are 63 means units place is 3. Am I clear? Am I clear? One more example on periodicity 4. Okay. Suppose 512 power 736. 736. Okay. When you divide with something, sorry, what is the unit space I want? Okay, 2 power 736. 2 means periodicity is 4. Periodicity is 4 means divide the last 2 digits of the power with 4. Entire power or last 2 digits is enough? Last 2 digits, 36 by 4. What is the remainder? 0. 0 means I will take it as 4. So, answer will be 2 power 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. So, what is the units place? 6. Hope you understand. This is the units places. Am I clear? Okay, units places completed. Now, we have to go for highest power. Then what we have to do? Highest power. Shall we do one or two examples? Highest power. Can I go to the next one? Okay, good. Right, if you want the highest power, simple one here. Detailed analysis means it will take a lot of time. Okay, simply I am giving you. So he is asking, suppose highest power of 7 in 500 factorial. He is asking. Highest power of 7 in 500 factorial. Okay, so what is meant by 500 factorial? Tell me. 500 into 499 into 498 into and so on 3 into 2 into 1. Yes or no? Okay. If you multiply, there will be 7 multiples, right or wrong? Automatically we get 7 power something. Yes or no? Okay. What is the highest power that you will get? He is asking. Okay. So the procedure is very simple. Just what he is asking, highest power of 7 in 500 factorial. Okay. So 500 by 7, do it. And consider the quotient. What do you have to consider? The quotient. Okay. 7 sevens are 49. 10 means 7 ones. Stop there. 71. Then he is asking about the highest power of 7, right? The quotient should be less than 7. If it is not less, then repeat the procedure. Then what we have to do? Repeat the procedure. Repeat means this 71 by 7. 7 tens. I said only the quotient. No need of remainder, no need of decimal. Got it? Okay, 7 tens are 70. Enough. Now what you have to observe? You are asking about the power of 7. It is not less than 7. Means continue. Continue means 10 by 7. What is the quotient? 1. It is less than 7. Enough. Stop here and add all this. So it is 82. Highest power of 7, it is 82. Am I clear? Okay, this is highest power concept. This is the concept of highest power. Okay. So next one, number of zeros at the end. Repeat. Instead of repeating, I will go with another example. Okay, same example means repeating. Okay, suppose he is asking highest power of 3 in 100 factorial. Okay, right. So what you have to do is that 100 by 3. Only the quotient. 3 threes, 3 threes. Okay. Now, since you are asking about highest of 3, this value should be less than 3. Not even equal to. Less than 3. Is it happened? Then continue the same procedure. Means this 33 by 3. Okay. 33 by 3 means how much you have? 11. Is it less than 3 at least? No. Continue. 11 by 3. Only the quotient. 3 threes are 9. Is it less than 3? I said strictly less than, not even equal to, right? Okay. Again consider 3 by 3. How much it is? 1. Okay. Now add all. 33 plus 11 is 44. 44 plus 4 is 48. What is the answer? 48. Highest power of 3. Okay, is highest power clear? If it is clear means I'll go with the 2 examples of number of zeros and I will give the handout to you. Then get ready for solving the problems. Okay? Okay. Good. Here, when compared to handout 1, ultimately memorize. Handout 2 will be a bit difficult. When compared to 2, 3 will be a bit difficult. So, in how many parts you have in basic operations and numbers? 5 parts. Now we are going to second one. Okay, after these 5 parts, we have divisibility rules and LCM HCF, another 3 handouts. Total number system and LCM HCF simple equations together, we are having 8 handouts. Got it? So all the models will be covered. Okay, in the examination, year by year, number system and simple equations weightage is getting increased. That's why we started with that one only. Okay, తెలుగులో సామెత ఉంది కదా, కొడితే ఏనుగు కుంభస్థలాన్ని కొట్టాలి, అవునా కదా? కొడదాం, పిచ్చి కొడు కొడదాం. Okay, let's go back to the next one. Number of zeros at the end. First we have to know what is number of zeros at the end. At the end. Okay. Very simple. Suppose I'll take some multiplication. Okay, 16 into 24 into 35. Suppose if I multiply, there might be a scope of for so and so ending 0, 1 0, 2 zeros, 3 zeros, yes or no? Okay, how many zeros you will get at the end? This is what the question is. Okay, shall we multiply this? Multiply this. 16 into 24 into 35. Come on, do it fast. Okay, I'm allowing you to use the calculator. Use it. Since this is a concept developing only, na? So use the calculator. 16 into 24 into 35. How much you got? Don't depend on others. 13440 your friend got. Got it? How many zeros you got at the end? Only 1 0. Okay, so if he is asked a question, find the number of zeros at the end of 16 into 24 into 35. How many zeros? Only 1. Small correction? Okay. So 28 into 42 into 75. Multiply and tell me how many zeros are there at the end. Because first you should know the concept. Then we will go for the next. Double 82. Okay, double 82 double 0. How many zeros you got at the end? Okay, like that. He will give some calculation. He will ask you how many zeros you will get at the end. Am I clear? So for this only we have one concept, that is to get zeros, the responsibility should be taken by 2s and 5s only. 2 5s are how much? Ending you got a 0, right or wrong? Okay, anywhere if you want to get the 0 at the end, which is responsible? 2s and 5s. Am I clear? Okay, now I am giving some questions, observe that. So 2 power 1 into 5 power 1. Okay, number of zeros at the end. End zeros, number of zeros at the end. Got it? So how many zeros you will get? 1 0. 2 5s are 10, only 1 0. Suppose if he is asking for 2 square into 5 square. 4 into 25, 100. 100 means how many zeros at the end? 2 zeros. Or else, sir, 2 square into 5 square means, can I take it as 2 into 5 whole square? Can I? Yes or no? 2 into 5 is? Square is? 2 zeros. 10 square, 2 zeros. 10 cube? 3 zeros. 10 power 5? 10 power 237. Hope you understand. Okay. So now tell me here, 2 power 123 into 5 power 123. How many zeros you will get at the end? 123. Okay. Good. Is this clear for you? Okay. Another example. 2 power 222 into 5 power 222. How many zeros you will get at the end? 222. Superb. Sir, I want to change the question, sir. 2 power 555 into 5 power 222. How many zeros you will get at the end? 222 only. How many you will get? 222. Because observe that 5 power 222 is there, sir. Okay, 2 power is how much? 555. I will write it as 2 power 222 into 2 power 333. Can I take like this? Yes or no? Okay, a power m into a power n means a power m plus n, automatically you will get 555, right or wrong? Okay, here you will get 222 zeros. But here, no. Because you have 2's. If you have conjunction with 5, you will get the zeros. But no more. So you won't get extra 2's, extra zeros. That's why if you find different powers, number of zeros means smaller of these two. What we have to go for? Smaller of the 2. Smaller of the 2. Am I clear? Good. Now tell me here, 2 power 77 into 5 power 125. How many zeros you will get at the end? Say it loudly. 77. Okay? Good. So this is the core concept of number of zeros at the end here. Okay? From this, the model changed to a different one. Can I ask you the question? If it is clear means I'll go to the last one. Okay, good. Can I go? Tell me. Clear? Good. Right, good. What you have to observe is, he is asking a question that number of zeros at the end of 500 factorial he is asking. At the end of 500 factorial. Earlier, sir, the calculation we are able to understand. This time unable, right or wrong? But the concept is same. What I will think is, you want zeros at the end. Means 2 powers, 5 powers. It has 2 powers. It has 5 powers. How many 2 powers are there? Means highest power of 2. How many 5 powers are there? Highest power of 5. Yes or no? Already you know how to calculate highest power of 2. Highest power of 5. The same can I apply here. Okay. So you will get some x here. You will get some y here. You will take which one? X or y? Whichever is less. Yes or no? Between x and y. If x is less, answer is x. If y is less, answer is y. Now tell me here. X and y, which one will be less in general? Suppose if you take 10 factorial, okay, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10, yes or no? If you think of 2 multiples, 1 not, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, how many you got? 5. In the same 10, if you take 5 multiples, 5, 10, only 2. Which are less? 5 or less. Why should I calculate 2, sir? This is useful or useless? Useless. Just go with the highest power of 5. Just go with highest power of 5. What will you do if you want the highest power of 5? Say it loudly. 500 by 500. 100 by 5, how much it is? 20. 20 by 5, how much it is? 4. Enough. That is the answer. Do you understand that? Now tell me here, number of zeros at the end and highest power are interrelated. Both are interrelated. Am I clear to you? Good. If it is clear means, I'll explain you the previous example, that is, yeah, I said that find the number of zeros at the end of it. I said use a calculator because it is the initial stage. Okay, it has 2 power 4. It has 2 square, sorry, 2 cube. 2 cube means 8, yes or no? See, 2 power 4 means 16 completely written. 24 means 8 into 3, 2 cube into 3, right? 35 means 5 into 7. You are asking about number of zeros. Number of zeros means only 2's and 5's are responsible. So 3's and 7's are not required for me. Strike it out. So we have so many 2 powers, only 5 power is 1. We want to go with the highest one or lowest one? Okay, you got only 1 0. Got it? Same to same. 28 into 42 into 75. 28 means 4 into 7. Right or wrong? 7 is useless, sir. Okay, 4 means 2 square. 42 means 4 into 7, sir. 7 is useless. Sorry, 6 into 7, sir. 7 is useless. Okay, 6 means 2 into 3, sir. 3 is also useless. 2 power 1. 75 means 3 into 5 square. Yes or no? 3 is useless. Okay, 2 power is 3. 5 power is only 2. Number of zeros means only 2. Got it? No need of calculators. Directly we can say this. Okay, right. These are the three models that we have in highest power on number of zeros. Any doubts so far? If no doubt means I'll give the handout. Okay, we will start. Come on, I'll stop writing. Okay, let us start discussion. Right, Emma. So, basic operations and numbers, part 2 by myself, Amarnath Demani. I hope you did this question very well, right? Yes or no? This is a CSAT question in 2020. Okay, 2020. Number of zeros at the end. So, what I can say is 2s and 5s are responsible, yes or no? Okay, that's already okay. But sir, when I multiply, if you have 0 at the end, it will automatically leads one 0, right or wrong? At the end, you will get a 0, right or wrong? Suppose 55 into 10 into 20, suppose he gave. When you multiply, what will you do? 2 zeros you will write at the end, the remaining you will multiply, yes or no? If you have a 0 at the end, automatically that will be at the end only. Am I right or wrong? Okay, that is the reason what I will do is, wherever I find zeros, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Already 6 zeros are there in the answer. These 6 are included in the answer. Now I will calculate the remaining zeros. Okay, my time will be saved. Okay, now I have to think of 5s and 2s. Okay, here we have a 5. Okay, 5s I am counting. 1. 15 means 1 5 only, right? Okay. 25 means 2 5s. Okay, 35 means only 1 5, 5 7s, right or wrong? Okay, 45 means 5 9s, so only 1 5. 55 means only 1 5. Okay, so 5s are 7. 5s are 7. Let us think of 2s. Okay, 1. Next, 4 means 1 2 or 2 2s? 2 2s. 6 means 1 2. 2s are how many? 4. 7 and 4, which is smaller? Which is smaller? 4. Already 4 zeros plus 6 zeros included. So 4 plus 6 is how much? 10. Means which option is the answer? A is the answer. Am I clear? I don't know whether you did like this or not. Okay, this is the best to do this problem. Okay, if you won't do like this, then what you have to do is 10 you have to split it into 2 into 5. Yes or no? Everything what happens is showing nose means not like this, like this. 10 you will divide it into 2 into 5. Again you will merge 2 into 5 and count 1 0. Yes or no? That is waste of time. This is the best one. Can I go to the next question? 15 into 14 into 13 into and so on, 3 into 2 into 1. What is the meaning of this entire year? Okay, 15 factorial is equal to 3 power m into n. Right? Okay. What is asking? Where m and n are positive integers. Superb. And then what is the maximum value of m? Maximum value of m means, can I say that 3 power highest power? Yes or no? He is asking in 15 factorial highest power of 3. Means what will you do? 15 by 3, how much you will get? 5. 5 by 3, how much you will get? 1. Bus. 6 is the answer. Okay, this is a question in 2022 CSAT. Good. Can I go to the next question? Can I? You can understand one point that when I am explaining about units places or number of zeros or highest power, whatever I explained earlier is the basic concept of it. That is the core concept. Observe the questions. He is asking the same or different ones. Even though same, but looks like different. Yes or no? The appearance will be different. That is the reason workshop is successful. Suppose if you go to the class, what happens? We will teach each and every concept. But this type of applications we will explain you. That is the specialty of workshop. Okay? Let us go see the next beautiful one. What is the number of numbers of the form 0.xy where xy are distinct non-zero digits? This question you can take it as the problem of permutations, combinations also. Okay? 0.xy. Okay. So x and y are distinct non-zero digits. No digit is 0. Both are distinct. How many possibilities are there? He is asking. What is the number of numbers? How many such numbers are possible? He is asking. Yes or no? Okay. Now suppose if I want to go with 0.12, 0.21, 0.32, like that I have to count. Yes or no? Okay, my question is, these two are same or different? Both are same or different? Both need to be counted. If you observe 1, 2, 2, 1, same digits or different digits? Same digits, but reverse, order changed. Means order is important or not important? If order is important, it is permutation. It is permutation. Okay, X and Y, two places I have to fill, yes or no? Okay, this place I am filling, sir. 0 will come or will not come? Will not come. 1 may come. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many ways I can fill it? 9 ways into. Okay, coming to this one. 0 will come or will not come? Will not come. Means 9 digits are there. But sir, he said that distinct non-zero digits. Distinct, right? Means whatever appears here, that should appear or should not appear? Should not appear. Should not appear means out of 9, 1 is already appeared here. That should be vomited. Now how many are there? Only 8. So answer is 9 8s are 72. Am I clear? Say it loudly. Not clear. Okay. So order is important. Up to this, okay. Order important means it is permutations. Okay. What I will say is 0.xy. These two places I have to randomly take the digits. 1, 2, 2, 3, 5 and so on. Okay. So this place non-zero. All are digits. Digits means 0 to 9. 0 should not come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many? 9 ways I can fill. Always remember, if the work is not completed, go with multiplication. Okay. The arrangement of this one is not enough. This one need to be arranged. So, into. Coming to this one, actually other than 0 means 9 possibilities are there. But the same digit should appear or should not appear? Means out of these 9, 1 digit appeared here. That I will leave. How many are there? This can be filled in 8 ways. So 8 9s are 72 ways. Clear? Anytime if you get it out, immediately write it out. I'll solve you. Okay? Let's see the next one. Okay. What is the units digit in the expansion of 57242 power? Anybody did it? What you did? Did you multiply all the numbers 9 into 7 into 5 into 3 into 1? Okay. That is also one way. Okay, now I am explaining you. Suppose 9 into 7 into 5 into 3 into 1 is not required, right? 9 7s are 63. 63 5s are 315. 315 into 3 is, okay, 945. Okay, one way of doing the problem is units place is asked means 2 power. Okay, 945. Here 2 means periodicity is how much here? 4. 4 means what should I do? Only consider the last 2 digits of the power and divide with 4. 4 11s are 44, remainder is 1. Means what will you do? 2 power 1. What is the answer? 2. This is one way of doing the problem. Okay, but my question for you is, if you can do it, if you feel comfortable, okay. Or else, the other way to do it is 2 power 9 power 7 power 5 power 3. Can I write like this or not? Yes or no? Okay, no need of multiplication. 2 power 9. Okay, divide with 4, remainder is 1. 2 power 1 means how much you will get? 2. Yes or no? Now 2 power 7. Divide with 4, 4 1s are 4, remainder is 3. 2 cube means 8, means this entire means 8. 8 means periodicity 4 again. Okay, power is 5. 4 1s are 4, remainder is 1. Means how much you will get? 8 again. 8 cube is 8 into 8 into 8. 8 8 is 64. 4 into 8 is 32. Means 2. No need of this multiplication. Am I clear or not? You are not responding here. Am I clear or not? Yes, good. So this is a question in CSAT 2023. Okay, right, good. So periodicity concept is helpful or not helpful? Very much. That to periodicity 1 or 2 or 4 he gave. 4. Where you felt difficult? That's why he gave it. Okay, good. Okay. A textbook seller sold A number of geography textbooks at the rate of X per book. A number of books, X per book. Means can I say the total revenue he will get is A into X. 5 books, 10 rupees means 50 rupees, right? Simply multiply. Okay, A books, X rupees means A into X. Okay. And A plus 2 number of history textbooks at the rate of X plus 2. అంటే total amount means A plus 2 into X plus 2. Yes or no? Total revenue means A into X. Okay, plus A into 2 means 2A. 2 into X, 2X. Plus 2 into 2, 4. This is the revenue. Okay. Yes or no? Okay. And what is it? A minus 2 number of mathematics textbooks at the rate of X minus 2 per book. A minus 2 books at the rate of X minus 2. Again, I have to multiply these two, right, to get the quantity. Okay. Yeah, how much you will get here? A into X minus 2X. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. AX minus 2X. What's the next one here? Minus 2A. Right or wrong? Okay, what is asking? What is the total sale in rupees? Total sale means, can I say this total is the sale? AX plus AX plus AX. 3AX. Minus 2A plus 2A minus 2A. Plus 2X minus 2X. 4 plus 4 is 8. Got it? Is it a serious question or a silly question? Silly question. Which makes you fear is size of the question. A plus 2, A minus 2, X plus 2, X minus 2. Oh my God. That too, this question a math student means some extent he will feel. Non-math students feels that, sir, I am non-maths. He is giving, sir, X plus 2, X minus 2, A plus 2, A minus. Sir, he has given something, sir. I don't understand anything. Yes or no, yaar? Yes. But is it a difficult question or a silly question? Silly question. Okay. Can I go to the next question? Good. Here, how many attempted all the 12 questions? 1. 12 questions. 2. 3. Oh, nice. Okay. 10. 1, 2, 3. At least I have to recognize now. More than head. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 8 and more. Okay, good. No problem. Let's try. If X minus Y is equal to 8, then which of the following must be true? Yeah, is he asking about possibility or mandatory rule? Mandatory he is asking, right or wrong? Okay. What's the one? X and Y must be positive for any value of X and Y. Here, X minus Y should be 8 here. He is saying that X and Y should be positive. Why, sir? I'll take X is equal to 7, sir. Y is equal to minus 1, sir. Can I? Then X minus Y means minus of minus will be plus, I will get 8. Means first one is valid or invalid? Invalid. So leave it. Second one. If X is positive, Y must be negative for any value of X and Y. He is saying that if X is positive, Y must be negative, he is saying. Y are X is 10, Y is 2. Okay, I am getting. Both are positive. Is it possible or impossible? Impossible. Sorry, possible. So he is saying that that is the correct one or wrong one. If he is asking about can, I will accept. He is asking about can or must. Must means it is not correct. Go to the next one. If X is negative, Y must be positive for any value of X and Y. This is absolutely the wrong one. Why? Because X minus Y. Okay. X if you take negative minus, this is positive, right? Positive into negative means negative. Negative means how can you get positive value here? That is meaningful or meaningless? I am asking you only. Meaningless. Right or wrong? So third one is correct or wrong? Okay, select the correct answer using the code given below. Okay, which is correct? Which must be true? He is asking. Which is correct? Neither. So answer is neither 1 nor 2 nor 3. Am I clear? Can I go to the next one? In aid of charity, every student in a class contributes as many rupees as the number of students. Do you understand that? Contributes as many rupees as the number of students. Suppose in this classroom 30 members are there. Then how much each student will contribute? 30. Means number of persons into contribution. This is the total aid, yes or no? Okay, N square is the aid. Okay, yeah. With the additional contribution of 2 rupees by one student only, the total collection is 443. Okay, this is the total contribution, right or wrong? For this, he is adding how much? 2 rupees. Now, how much he is getting here? 443. Means n into n means n square. Move the 2 that side, 441. Okay, where you get 441? 21. Can I say n value is 21? Okay. Yeah, what he is asking here, then how many students are there in the class? How many students are there? 21. So answer is B. It's also a serious question or a simple question? Simple question. Okay, this is a question in CSAT 2016. Okay. Can I go to the next one? Here, some questions, when you try, you might not get the answer. When you try with me, you will get the answer. The only difference between you and me is, I will read the question in a slow pace such that where we have to highlight, there I will highlight. Where we have to stop, there I will stop. And the remaining I will continue. Yes or no? But when you read a question, the age of Mr. X last year was the square of a number, you will automatically forget what you are reading. You understand that? So read the question properly. Okay? Good. The age of Mr. X last year was the square of a number. Oh, x minus 1 is a square, perfect square. Like 9, 1, 4, 25, like that. Yes or no? Okay. And it would be the cube of a number next year. Next year it will be a cube. Next year means his age will be x plus 1. Is equal to how much? A cube. Sir, I have a small doubt. Suppose I am that person, my age present is x. Last year is a square. Next year is a cube. Last year to next year, how many years gap is there? Last year to present 1 year. Present to next year 1 year. Total last year to next year, how many years are gap is there? 2 years gap is there. Yes or no? Okay, fine. And means within 2 years, with a gap of 2, you should have a square and a cube. You should have a square and cube. I'll try with my, what do we say, level. My level means small numbers. Okay, square means if I take 1, plus 2 should be cube. Is it? No. 1 plus 2 means 3. Is it a cube? No, so this is not. Okay, next square I know is 4. Plus 2 means 6. Is it a cube? No. Okay, next square is 9. Plus 2 means 11. Is it a cube? No. Next is 16. 18. Is it? No. Next is 25. Plus 2 is 27. Sir, it's a square, it's a cube. The game is over. Yes or no? Okay, means this is 25. X minus 1 is 25. What's his age? 26. X plus 1 is 27. Perfect cube. Is it right or wrong? I got the age of that person. Okay, next one. What is the least number of years he must wait for his age to become the cube of a number again? Least age he is asking. Okay, suppose his age is 26, sir. Okay, after some years, okay, 27 already I have discussed here. Okay, next cube. Next cube means maybe 64, maybe 125. Anything will happen, yes or no? How many years he has to wait, he is asking. How many years he has to wait, he is asking. Okay, he is asking about the least years or highest years? Least means he has to reach to 64 or 125? 64. Now tell me how many years of time is required? 30? How much? 38? That's it. So 26 years to become the perfect square. 64. How many years of he has to wait? 64 minus 26. 38 years he has to wait. Am I clear or not? Good. So, where you will face trouble is, you will write x minus 1 is equal to a square and x plus 1 is equal to b cube. More number of variables, less number of variables, you won't solve it. Yes or no? Yes or no? So, this we will call it as case studies. This we will call it as case studies. Even if you try, so 5 and 3 you got right, 25 and 27. Try for the remaining, you won't get it. There will be only one such possibility like this. He will ask that, which is that one he is asked. He will ask. Okay, we have to identify. Okay, can I go to the next question? Oh, it's already 8. Still 4 only now. Shall we continue? Okay. Only 10 questions only. I have given 18 minutes. Damn it, I have to give 15 only. I have given 3 minutes extra for you. Okay. 4 persons, Alok, Bhupesh, Chandar and Dinesh have a total of 100 among themselves. Okay. Alok, Bhupesh, Chandar and Dinesh. Each one has these many money. Total rupees is how much? 100 rupees. Right or wrong? Alok and Bhupesh between them have as much money as Chandar and Dinesh between them. And actually this statement is confusing. Right or wrong? Alok and Bhupesh between them have as many money as Chandar and Dinesh. People will get a doubt that, sir, is it the difference? Is it the sum? He has not specified, sir. Student will think like that. Okay, observe the statement. Alok and Bhupesh. Suppose he is Mr. Alok, he is and Bhupesh. Suppose Bhupesh has more money. Alok and Bhupesh, between them means this is the one, right? Can I say that the difference is the one? Yes or no? Of course, Bhupesh might be below. This is a difference, right or wrong? Okay. So, between them means difference. Have as much money as Chandra and Dinesh between them. Again, Chandra and Dinesh also between them. Okay. So, the difference between A and B, C and D is same. But I don't know difference. Already I said that my salary is 10 rupees, his salary is 12 rupees. A to B difference is 2 rupees. B to E is also, means I am unable to say that which is greater. Okay. In the later situations, he will give that. Okay. We will follow it. Next one. But Alok has more money than Bhupesh. He has given the clarity. Who has more money? Alok. Means the difference is nothing but Alok minus Bhupesh. Yes or no? Now, C and D difference we have to identify which is greater. Okay. So, what he said is, and Chandra has only half the money that Dinesh has. Okay. Chandra has only half the money that Dinesh has. Now, tell me here, C and D, which is greater? Which is greater? I have half as much money than her. Means I am the rich. No, right? Which is greater? D is greater. Okay, that means that can I say this is D minus C? Cross multiply. 2C is equal to D, right? Okay, so 2C. So A minus B is equals to C. Am I right or wrong? Okay, substitute the same here. D is equal to 2C. Okay, A plus B is equals to 100 minus 3C. 3C, right? Move that side. 100 minus 3C. Okay, good. Next statement. Yeah. Alok has in fact 5 more than Dinesh has. Okay, how much Alok has? 5 more than Dinesh has. Dinesh already have 2 times of Chandra, right or wrong? Okay. So means this A I can replace with 2C plus 5. 2C plus 5. Then automatically what happens here? B is equals to 100. Okay, 2C goes this side means minus 5C. 5 comes this means it will be 95, right or wrong? Say yes or no? 95. B is equal to how much? 95 minus 5C. Okay, substitute the same here. A is equal to how much? 2C plus 5. Okay, B is equal to how much? Say here 95 minus 5C. Okay, all have only one variable called C. You will get the value of C. If you get the value of C, you will get the value of D. You will get the value of A. If you know the value of A, automatically you will get the value of B also, right or wrong? Okay, all the values you can calculate. Okay, let us see what he is asking. Okay, what he is asking? Who has the maximum amount of money? Who has the maximum amount of money? Okay, so I can say one thing, sir. Answer is not C and D. Why? Because when compared to Chandra, D has more money. So C will not be the answer. Okay. When compared to D, A has 5 more. Means D will not be the more. Okay, this is not. So answer will be either Alok or Bhupesh. Alok means 2C plus 5. Bhupesh means 95 minus 5C. I don't know which is greater. Okay, that's why I have to calculate the value of C. That's why I have to calculate the value of C. Okay, simplify here. 2C minus 5C. Minus 3C. Move the minus 3C this side, it will be plus 4C. 95 plus 5. 100. Am I clear? What's the value of C? 25. C is 25. I have to calculate A and C, B values, right? A is how much here? 2C. 50 plus 5 means 55. Am I right or wrong? Okay. Substitute B here. 95 minus 5C. Check the calculation one more time. A minus B is equals to C. A means 2C plus 5. C means minus 5C, 95. 95 minus 5C. Yeah, in between we have minus sign here. We forgot it. Observe. 2C plus 5. This is minus. Right or wrong? Completely changed it. Okay. This will become minus of minus will become plus. Plus 5C plus 2C. 7C. Okay. Okay. 5 minus 95. minus 90 is equals to C. Move the C this side. 6C is equals to 90. C is equal to how much? 15. Okay, change it. Okay, right. 2 into 15. 30 plus 5 is 35 A has. Okay, what about B? 95 minus 5 into 15 is 75. Means B has 20. Who has highest? A. So what's the answer? Alok is the answer. Am I clear? Okay, this is a ridiculous equations. Yes or no? 4 variables are there. Finally, I have converted into 2 variables. Okay, all are converted into C only. Got it? Am I clear? Can I go to the last one? Oh, yeah. These two we can rule out, but those two unable. Where he already given yes, good point. So already we can say that from the statement, means without solving all these things. Okay, so C has half the money that D has. Means when compared to C, D is more. Am I right or wrong? Okay. C, D, so C is not the greatest, leave it. He said that A has 5 more than D. Means D is not the highest, leave it. Coming to A and B, okay, here he said that Alok has more money than Bhupesh. Means A and B, who has highest? Nice point. Okay, I forgot this point actually. That's why I did all these calculations, ridiculous calculations. Okay, or else it will be that much easy question. Okay, nice point. Yeah, shall we go to the last question? Okay, good. There are some nectar-filled flowers. Hope you know what is meant by nectar-filled. Okay, flower means it has some sweetness. Okay, that was filled in it. On a tree, and some bees are hovering on it. Okay, if one bee lands on each flower, one bee will be left out. Now tell me here, flowers and bees, which are more? Bees are more. How many more? 1. Okay, can I say that the number of bees are 1 more than the flowers? Okay, next one. If 2 bees land on each flower, 2 bees land on each flower, then what happens here? Okay, 1 flower left out. Okay, so what's the meaning of that? Each flower, 2 times the bees. Okay, so 2F. 2F or 2 into F minus 1. 1 flower is left now. 1 flower. So F minus flowers has, each one has 2 bees. So these are the number of bees, yes or no? Is it okay? Is it okay? See the last statement. Okay, what he said? If 1 bee lands on each one, that is completed. Okay, if 2 bees land on each flower, 1 flower will be left out. Okay, suppose these are the flowers here. 2 bees are landing. Okay, 1 flower is left out. Means these are F or F minus 1? F minus 1 flowers. Okay, on each how many bees were hovering? 2. Means can I say that the total number of bees means 2 times of this one, right or wrong? Okay, total number of bees means 2 times of F or F minus 1? F minus 1. Okay, can I replace B with this one? F minus 1 is equal to 2B. Kyun? Why? Observe here, 5 flowers are there. Okay, 1 flower is left out. So no bee on it. Okay, on each flower 2 bees are there. That means total bees are 8. Means nothing but number of flowers minus 1 into 2. Bees are nothing but number of flowers minus 1 into 2. Got it? So means we are getting failed in writing the equations. Yes or no? Okay, good. So B is equal to 2 into F minus 1. Can I replace B means this one, F plus 1? F plus 1 is equals to 2 into F minus 2. Move the F this side. Move the minus to this side. So how many flowers are there? 3 flowers. Okay. Bees means plus 1. How many bees are there? Is as the same. The number of flowers and bees. 3 and 4. Got it? Okay. Now what I can do is observe. Option verification is one possibility. Option verification is one possibility. Maybe that is easy for you. So the beautiful part that you can understand is, here observe this one. 1 bee lands on each flower. 1 bee will be left out. Means tell me here bees are more or flowers are more? Okay, 1B will be more than the flower. Okay, he is asking about flower and bees respectively. Means first you have to go with flowers. When compared to the flowers, bees should be one more. Okay, is it happening here? No. Is it happening here? Is it happening here? So answer is C. No need to solve the entire one. Okay, just by reading this statement, we can save the answer also based on the options, but not always. Okay, this is a CSAT question 2016. Any doubts, my dear boys and girls? Say it loudly. Okay, my dear boys and girls, as I said earlier, yeah, today I thought of we can complete 3 papers, but unfortunately 2 only, but not a problem. Okay, everybody has to understand the concept, right? That is the important one. Okay, so the third one has too much beautiful questions. Okay, so remember one thing, that I'm giving you handouts, right? In these handouts, if you have the questions from 2020 or 21, 22, 23, etc., the difficulty rises to the next level. Got it? So if you observe the previous 2 papers, the papers have more number of questions from 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18, right or wrong? That is the reason, some extent it is easy. Even if you observe this question, the previous one, okay, you might get confused, but actually it's a difficult question or a simple one only? Simple one, okay. Even I did this much later, with your friend's suggestion, we did it a difficult one or a simple one? Simple one. Like that, he'll give some hints once upon a time. Long ago, so long ago, when you were all youth, he used to give simple questions. Okay. Now is he giving simple questions or okay. Right. Get ready for it. Okay. In the next session, the difficulty will go to doubled. Okay. So it will be peaks. Don't. What I can say for you is, don't get the fear of it. Learn it. Take it as a challenge. Take it as a challenge. If you get the fear, first of all, don't stop preparing for CSAT. Stop preparing for civil services. Why? Because when there is a hurdle, if you get fear in civil services, daily you will have problems only, right? Yes or no? So daily only one problem or multiple dimensions, multiple problems on your heads? Multiple dimensions, multiple problems, right or wrong? Okay, you have to handle them. If the paper is difficult, you should handle it. You should learn it. You should practice it. You should achieve it. That's it. Am I right or wrong? Okay, observe a small point. Today, when Ramana sir is introducing about the founder of this organization, okay, he used one beautiful word, you understand. What is that? An achiever started it. Yes or no? A fearer not started it. Got it or not? Okay, when will you become an achiever? If you handle it. Else you will become an achiever or a failure. Say it loudly. Failure. So never ever have a fear of it. Okay. We are here to help you. Take the proper utilization of the help that we will provide. Okay. And learn it. And learn it. Okay. So the basic concept we are covering and the advanced level of questions we are discussing. Okay. This is the right time and best place, and that too you are near to the examination, right or wrong? So this is very much helpful for you. Okay. Yeah. Any doubts, my dear boys and girls? No doubts? Thank you. We'll meet in the next session. Up to that, Jai Hind.